What is a sextant? The sextant is an instrument used for measuring angles, primarily altitudes of celestial bodies like the sun or a star. It is also used in navigating ships and planes to determine the latitude. The word sextant comes from the Latin word sextus, which means 1/6. In fact, the instrument is equipped with an arc which is usually 1/6 of a circle or 60 degrees. It is shaped like the wedge of a pie, with a scale marked on its round edge. The sextant was invented by an Englishman, John Hadley, in 1731. It was mainly used at sea to determine a ship's latitude or distance from the equator. In fact, the invention of the sextant laid the foundation of modern navigation. The device consists of an arc of a circle, marked off in degrees, and a movable radial arm pivoted at the center of the circle. A movable mirror is fixed at the end of the arm. The other end extends to the scale. A telescope is mounted on the sextant, and a glass mirror is mounted in front of the telescope. To operate the sextant, the operator looks through the telescope straight at the horizon. And then moving mirror the sun or any particular star is made to appear exactly on horizon. The arm which moves the mirrors gives the required measurement of the angle. From this angle and the exact time of day, the latitude is determined by means of published. The knowledge of latitude is very useful for navigators as it tells them at which place of the Earth they are.